when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dicing with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have right here, I have some pork steak. I done chopped up. Also have some potatoes, cut nice round size. I love my skin. So I keep the skin on. Have me some bell peppers. So this gonna be a nice, quick bake, oven bake recipe. So we're gonna do right now, we'll go ahead and season the steak with some rosemary. Rosemary right there. Then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of the Tony's. Not much. And then we're gonna hit it with some of this nacho seasoning. Seasoned blend. Boom. See, about a teaspoon. A little bit on the bell peppers. Boom. There we go right there. Nice little flavor. Keep it plain and simple. Potatoes. Let's put these bad boys in there. Get that seasoning in. If you want to, you know what I mean, you can always add a little more seasoning. It's your taste bud. All right, now, some of them I just left with the bone in, a little whole, a little fat on there, you know, fat is flavor. Same thing, fat is flavor. Just set it in there. You don't have to be a perfect way to set it in there. Just toss them in there. This is all gonna cook together. All right, so that's how we looking right there. I have my oven already preheated to 350. We'll let us do its thing in the oven for about an hour, 30 minutes to 2 hours. So what I have right here, I have my chicken bouillon. That's why I didn't too much worry about putting too much seasoning, adding too much seasoning. So this is where the flavor really gonna come from. It's the chicken bouillon. And I have a cup of cold water right here. So we'll do like a teaspoon. Yeah, about a teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Mix it in. It's getting everywhere. We're still gonna make it happen. Go clean up them little mess. Want to get that chicken bouillon mixed in with that water. If it would have been hot water, it would have broke up a little better, but it's okay. Alright, so that's cool right there. So now we just want to put it in there. Boom. There we go right there. A nice little cup of water. It was in a bowl, but it's about a cup. You just eyeball it. You don't want to just cover up your whole food. You don't want to just cover it all the way up. You know what I mean? So now I'm finna throw my aluminum foil on this bad boy and it's going right in the oven on 350. All right, so another thing you want to do, once you place your aluminum foil on your pan, you want to just go around and just poke holes in it. You can do it with a fork, knife. As you see, I'm using a knife. Just go around, just poke little holes in it. That's it. And it's ready to go. Okay, so we have an hour and 30 minutes in. That's how we looking. So now what I want to do, I want to add a little bit of gravy. So I have my all-purpose flour right here. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons. That's regular cold water. You can use warm, hot water. How you want to do it is better if you use hot water because it'll break it up, help you break it up. So I'm doing 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. Now, when I make my gravy, that's what I do. I mix it in the water or the juice first, stir it up real good. Let that flour mix in with that juice or the water. Like I said, it's better if you do hot water. But I just let it just mix in like that there. Break up that flour. Just like that there. Alright. Just add it in. You know what I mean? Like that there. So it's gonna make this right here, this juice and everything, it's gonna thicken it up a little more. Nice little gravy. It's gonna make it a little thick gravy. A little too much juice in there, a little too much water, but it's okay. It's gonna do its thing. Here we go right here. Your boy done made it happen. You know? Got his little gravy. Looking lovely. Now it's time to put this good food on a nice plate. Yes, sir. So here we go right here. Your boy done made it happen. Nice, easy, quick meal. Put together. Pork steak and gravy. Bake pork steak and gravy. With the baked potatoes. Everything together. Y'all seen just how I did it. Easiest 1, 2, 3. It's not hard at all. Easy, simple meals also. Now that I had a good time filming with y'all, don't forget that bell, all notifications, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good afternoon. God bless. Hit dice.